Let's take a look at the eOne strategy for data migration from Dynamics GP to Oracle NetSuite. The eOne migration approach is to only move the data you need to start fresh in NetSuite. You'll need master records such as customers, vendors, and items to transact against, as well as active data such as unpaid invoices and opening balances to pick up where you left off. The rest of your data is historical. This data isn't edited by users after the migration, but they'll need to access it to make informed decisions for the future and stay audit ready. Let's look deeper into the historical data. With our simple tool, you will be able to replicate your local GP environment to a data lake. The tool can upload every GP table and smart list, as well as any custom SQL tables stored on the server. Select which company databases you want to archive and if the Dynamics database should be included too. The tool will upload every table to a data lake and allow you to review the status. Once the upload is complete, the local GP server can be safely retired while you stay compliant with cloud data storage. Users will have a native experience when accessing their historical GP data inside their new Oracle NetSuite environment. From the NetSuite dashboard, you will be able to access any of your historical GP data. For example, here I'm looking at historical SOP transactions. Users can interact with this data, swapping around columns, applying filters, and even adding additional pieces of detail from the GP data. If I want additional details, I can drill down into an individual invoice to see shipments, orders, and line items. And this isn't just one list, a window into your historical GP data. We can combine that GP data with your new NetSuite data to provide a life-to-date view of a customer. This list shows all sales line items from NetSuite and GP in one single view. If we look at the source connector, we can see some of this data came from NetSuite and some of it came from GP. If I wanted to search for only one of my customers, I can quickly filter it down and view only the 17 records that apply to this filter. You can take data access even further by adding a GP list directly onto any NetSuite form. If I search for my Aaron Fitz electrical user, on the customer form, I have a sales transaction history list showing me that combined report of all of my historical data combined with my new NetSuite data. So now, if I'm on the phone with Aaron Fitz, I can actively research and interact with all of their historical sales lines, ledger entries, or any other data that I need, helping your users transition from GP to NetSuite seamlessly.